How to create a Nordstrom account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to create a Nordstrom account. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up a browser, head over and open up a browser, and we can go to their official site. So go ahead and open it up, which is this one right here. Tap on it, nordstrom.com, and that should lead you to this following site right here. Now, once the site opens up, in the top right corner, usually we can find an option of menu. So go ahead and look out for it. In the top left corner, you can either tap on that menu option. Otherwise, in the top right corner, we should be finding an option of profile. So go ahead and look out for the profile option instead in the top right. And once we tap on it, it will give us the option to sign in or create an account. So tap on that option. After that, we should be led towards another section here. So we can start by typing in our email address. So go ahead and add it up and click on the option called next. And you can follow up the prompts to create up your account. So first of all, you need to provide in your first and your last name. So go ahead and provide in your first and your last name, and then you can create up a passport for yourself. After that is done, you can tap on this create account option. And then you should also enter up a mobile number. So go ahead and provide up a mobile number and they should send you a verification code. So go ahead and tap on next, and once verified, your account should be created. And there we go. Now you can just go over, sign in and start shopping. You can check up your spam or your junk folder if you have not received any email, and make sure your email is typed correctly as well. And there we go. This is how we basically create up a Nordstrom account, which should be super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.